Hey guys, it's getting the dual battery system put in the Landcruiser today. Got the boys here from Mark's Auto Electrical in Kiama, New South Wales. Just taking the, I've got the standard dual battery set up, or two batteries set up in it already. I'm going to split them, but I'm also going to replace the batteries. The normal 65 amp hour batteries aren't going to cut it. So I'm replacing one battery with the Century deep cycle 103, 102 amp hour. So on all accessories, and I'm going to run a 810 cranking amp battery for the starter to make up for the two batteries we took out. So yeah.
I close my eyes and I find myself slipping back tearing pages out this notebook, gripping up no shots cause ain't no see what I mean. Yeah, and then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all them good times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I return. Yeah, sometimes everybody gets caught.
Well, the back's all done. Got the cigarette lighter output, dual USB, just a voltage reader to keep an eye on the batteries, all the one battery, and the little Anderson plug for my fridge, and just put the Anderson plug outlet for the trailer at the back there, all done. Alrighty guys, everything's all done, the boys have left, all nice and neat. Like I said, I've got the 102 amp hour Century battery in this side, lead acid. I've got just a fuse, 230 amps fuses in here to protect the charger and the circuit running down the back. Like I said, I've got the DC charger, the redarc DC 1225D charger. See the lights, nice and easy, nice and tucked away. And I've got the starter battery, which is now a 110 cranking amp battery. It's also a Century. And I've got the lead brought up from the charger with the solar input. Just leave it in there, so we know if I want to use a solar blanket or anything, I can easily connect her up. So yeah, very happy. Yeah, so I definitely recommend splitting the batteries. The car ticked over perfectly with just the single battery now, so happy days, all set up ready for camping.